And we all are tested. And by the way, we are living in this comfort right now. We are absolutely tested. I'm sorry, the test is not only with the challenges or with the things we don't want or like. The test is even more when we get what we want. And that's what Sayyidina Yusuf was tested in both. And fifth, victory is there. ألا إن نصر الله قريب. Allah put it in the Quran. وَكَانَ حَقًّا عَلَيْنَا نَصْرُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. It is a duty upon us. This is not you and me promising somebody. This is Allah. وَكَانَ حَقًّا عَلَيْنَا. It's a right upon us, Allah, to give victory to the believers. But He didn't give us time. Will I see it? Will we see it in our lifespan? I don't know. But it is there. And I always said this, if anybody is from Algeria, and if you don't know, you should know, 100 years, they gave million martyr. They call it the rising of the 1 million martyr. At the end, they got liberated. So this is what we all need to do, especially us. Don't lose hope. Yes, you can do a lot of things. A lot of things you can do. And CARE has been sending a lot of ways for us to bring our voice. A lot of the people who are non-Muslim, nobody likes the injustice. Any human being cannot see what we are all seeing and then his or her heart doesn't move. So don't lose hope. Yes, you can do. And I said this and I'm going to say it again and again and again. Turn back to Allah, everybody. This is the time where we need to change. This is the time where my salah, my siyam, my feelings toward Allah, the dunya will become lower, and you never know, could be one of your du'as that change everything. You don't know. Could be mine, could be yours. Even if it didn't in my lifetime, when I meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I said, Ya Allah, I did everything you wanted. I can't go and do things physical. He did not put me in that situation. So He's not going to ask me. That's why don't feel helpless. He didn't put me in a place where I can go and change things physically. I can't. None of us can. If He wanted us, He would have put us in that position. He didn't. But He put us in many other positions that we can do change.